Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to continue discussing about the logarithm equation. So here is an equation that we are going to solve. 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus log y base 2 is equals to log 12 base 2. So here is the question that we are going to solve. So whenever you're having any equation like this, you have to think all the laws that we have learned. We have learned about the 4 laws of logarithm, and we are mixing them with the laws of exponent to come up with a proper solution. Whenever you are having 1, like I said, for example, any number power 0 is equals to 1. So in that case, for example, 2 to the power 0 is equals to 1. So what if we are having log 2 base 2? What do we get? We also get 1. So either this or this or this will only lead us to an answer 1. So here, let us just say 1 is nothing but log 2 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log y base 2 is equals to log 12 base 2. When we are adding, we multiply. When we are multiplying, we add. So it's very simple. So in this case, we are adding. So we are going to say log, of course, base 2 bracket of 2 times 3 times y, because the bases are all the same. So it means we can multiply these values. Is equals to log 12 base 2. So here we get nothing but log 6y base 2 is equals to log 12 base 2. So since the bases are the same, we discussed about it in our previous video. We can divide both sides by log base 2, log base 2. So we remain with the 6y is equals to 12. Then we can divide by 6. We can divide here by 6. We cancel. Y is equals to 2. Let us take a look into another question. This time, it's not an equation, but we just want to see without how we can solve this. Log 2 log 5 plus 4 log 2 minus 1 over 3 log 64. So how can we simplify this expression? Okay, you are given and you have to simplify. So to simplify an expression like this, remember there's no base. That's the first thing you have to analyze. You have to analyze your question before you start answering. So you can see there's no base. It means all is in base 10. So since it is in base 10, then the next step you need to do is to analyze all numbers that are behind the logarithm. All numbers. So after analyzing, you have to do the vice versa of what you already know. So the vice versa of this part, it is log 5 power 2, because you put this exponent behind the logarithm. So we are doing the reverse. Same goes, it will be log 2 power 4. And same goes, it will be minus log 64 power 1 over 3. That's the reverse. So what if we are to simplify again this? Here we get log 25 plus, here is log 16 minus log cube root of 64. It's a cube root right here. Now, let us continue simplifying. Here, if we are adding, we said we multiply, so we get log bracket 25 times 16, of course, minus, what about the cube root of 64? It is 4 times 4, 16 times 4, again we get 64. So the cube root is 4 right here. And what do we do when we are subtracting? We divide. So here we are going to have log bracket 25 times 16 all over 4. Here what I did, I factor out log because it will be like a log bracket 25 times 16 bracket all over log again 4. So I just factor out to come up with this fraction. So if that is the case now, we can simplify. How to simplify this? We can say 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 16, it's 4 again. So we are remaining with log 25 times 4 bracket. 25 times 4 is nothing but 100. So it will be logarithm 100. And what do we get when we are having logarithm 100? It will be log 10 power 2. And whenever we are having power, we have to simplify it this way. So it will be 2 log 10. And remember, if there is no base, it means it is base 10 here. So our answer, any number to the base 10, any number to its base, it is equals to 1. So here we end up having only 2 again. So I think this is all for this video. If you enjoy and like this video, please subscribe and share. Bye-bye.